Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about solving linear equations in one variable. Let us learn a new method to solve a pair of linear equations in one variable. The method we are going to apply here is transpose method. Now see the first equation, x plus 3 is equal to 2. Here we have two terms on the LHS and one term on the RHS. Power of the variable is 1, therefore it is linear equation. Now, to find the value of x, we have to move 3 to the right side so that you will get the value of x. This is called transposing 3 to the right hand side, transferring 3 to the RHS. See here, it is plus 3 on the LHS. So when we transpose, addition changes to subtraction. When we transpose one term from RHS to the LHS, then addition changes to subtraction. So here x is equal to 2 minus 3. X is equal to 2 minus 3. We are transposing 3 to the right hand side. X is equal to 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Because plus 2 and minus 3 have different sign. Subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. Put the bigger number sign. That is minus. X plus 3 is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 minus 3 are same equations but written in a different way. So the value of x is minus 1. Now look at the second equation. X minus 3 is equal to 2. Here in transposing method, to find the value of x, we have to transpose minus 3 to the right hand side so that you will get the value of x. See the sign of 3, that is minus, so that subtraction changes to addition. When we transpose minus 3 to the right hand side, it becomes x is equal to 2 plus 3. So x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is the solution of the equation. Now see the next equation. 3x is equal to 2. LHS is 3x, RHS is 2. 3x means it is 3 into x. So to get the value of x, we have to transpose 3 to the RHS. It is multiplication with the variable 3 into x. So the multiplication changes to division. So x is equal to 2 divided by 3. 3 into x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 by 3. Multiplication changes to division. So the value of x is 2 by 3. Now see the next equation. X by 3 equal to 2. Here it is divided by 3. We have to transpose 3 to the right hand side so that division changes to multiplication. X is equal to 2 into 3. That is x is equal to 6. Now substitute 6 in the given equation. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 6 is the solution of the given equation. We have to remember this while doing transposing method. Addition changes to subtraction, subtraction changes to addition, multiplication to division, and division to multiplication. Now the question is, find the solution of 3x minus 7 is equal to 14. Now LHS is 3x minus 7, RHS is 14. We have two terms on the LHS and one term on the RHS. Let us apply transpose method to solve this equation. In transpose method, we have to keep the variable term on the left side and we have to move constant terms to the right hand side. Keep variable term on the left side, move constant term to the right hand side. Here we have 3x and minus 7 are the two terms. So first we have to move minus 7 to the right hand side. We have to transfer minus 7 to the right hand side. It is minus 7, sign of 7 is minus, so that it changes to addition. 3x is equal to 14 minus changes to plus 7. Subtraction changes to addition. Now 3x is equal to 14 plus 7 is 21. So now 3 into x is equal to 21. We have to transpose 3 to the right hand side. 3 into x, it is multiplication with the variable. So that becomes division. So 3 into x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 divided by 3. So x is equal to 3 ones are 3 sevens are. We have to write in the simplest form. So x is equal to 7 is the solution of the given equation. So solution is x is equal to 7. Next, solve 5x plus 9 is equal to 1. Look at the LHS and RHS. We have to keep variable on LHS and move constant to RHS. Here, first we have to transpose 9 to RHS. Here we have two terms on LHS, 5x and plus 9, and RHS we have 1. We have to keep variable term on the left side, so move 9 to the RHS. So plus 9 it is, addition changes to subtraction. So 5x is equal to 1 minus 9. 5x is equal to plus 1 minus 9. Have different side, so subtract. 9 minus 1 is 8. Bigger number sign, that is minus. Now we have to transpose 5 to the right hand side. 5 into x is equal to minus 8. When we transpose it to the right side, it becomes divided by, multiplication changes to division. x is equal to minus 8 by 5. We cannot simplify further, therefore x is equal to minus 8 by 5 is the solution. See the next one. Solve 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Now 15 by 4 is the one term, minus 7x is another term on the LHS, and 9 is on the RHS. Now 15 by 4 is the constant term, we have to take it to the RHS. We have to keep variable term on the left side, constant term on the right hand side while applying transpose method. Now move 15 by 4 to the right hand side, it is plus 15 by 4. Plus 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Keep minus 7x on the left hand side. Move 15 by 4 to the RHS. So plus 15 by 4 becomes minus 15 by 4. Addition changes to subtraction. You have to look at the sign of 15 by 4 on the LHS. It is plus 15 by 4. It changes to minus 15 by 4. So minus 7x is equal to, denominator is 4, 9 4s are 36 minus 15. Because denominator of 9 is 1, so we have to multiply by 4. So 9 4s are 36 minus 15 by 4. So minus 7x, 36 minus 15 is 21 by 4. Now we have to transpose minus 7 to the RHS. See, minus 7 into x it is, so that becomes divided by minus 7. So x is equal to 21 by 4 divided by minus 7. Here sign of minus 7 won't change because it is divided by. So 21 by 4 divided by minus 7. So x is equal to 21 by 4 into, take the reciprocal of minus 7, that is minus 1 by 7. 7 1s are 7 3s are. So x is equal to, in the numerator we have 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 divided by 4 is the solution. Next, solve 3x by 5 is equal to minus 6. 3x divided by 5 is equal to minus 6. See here, 3x by 5 is a single term. 5 is there in the denominator. So 5 we have to transpose to the RHS. So 3x divided by 5, division becomes multiplication. Minus 6 into 5, that is minus 30. Then we have to move 3 to the RHS. 3 into x it is. That becomes divided by x is equal to 30 by 3. So x is equal to 10. X is equal to minus 10. Next, 12 is equal to 3y minus 5. Solve this equation. See here, on LHS we have 12, on RHS we have 3y minus 5. See here, in transpose method, you have to keep variable part on the left hand side, constant part on the right hand side. So now interchange LHS and RHS. It doesn't make any difference with the signs. So 3y minus 5 is equal to 12. We can write. Now first we have to transpose minus 5 to the RHS. So subtraction becomes addition. 3y is equal to 12 plus 5. 3y is equal to 17. 3 into y is equal to 17. So multiplication becomes division. Move 3 to the RHS. So y is equal to 17 by 3 is the solution. Now solve 2 by 3 into 4x minus 3 is equal to 10. 2 by 3 into 4x minus 3 is equal to 10. Now see here, 2 by 3 into 4x minus 3 is equal to 10. First we have to transpose 2 by 3 to the right hand side. It is 2 by 3 into 4x minus 3. So that becomes 10. It is divided by 3 on the left hand side. So that becomes into 3. Then divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. So 4x minus 3 is equal to 15. Now take minus 3 to the RHS. So 4x is equal to 15 plus 3. 4x is equal to 18. Now move 4 to the right hand side. That becomes divided by x is equal to 18 by 4. 4 into x on the left hand side, so it becomes divided by. Simplify now. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to 9 by 2 is the solution.